Okay, so up to last lecture we discuss about this vehicle solvent which are used in pharmaceutical preparations. Okay, these are the some common ingredient which are used in a pharmaceutical as a pharmaceutical excipient in a monophasic liquid preparation. Generally, we here first discuss about monophasic liquid preparation. Okay, so these are the some ingredient, uh, and then also we discuss about this techniques to enhance the solubility, solubilization technique, pH modification, co-solvency. This already is covered. So up to this, we covered the basic of pharmaceutical excipient which are used in a monophasic liquid preparation. Okay, now we start with the monophasic liquid preparation. First preparation is a solution, or it is also known as a simple mixture. This is the first, our first monophasic liquid preparation, which are in a classification of monophasic liquid preparation. Okay, so solution, as we already know, what is the definition of solution? Solution is a liquid preparation that contains one or more soluble chemical substance dissolved in a specific solvent. Okay, this is the basic requirement. You require one ingredient, one API, and one solvent for the preparation of solution. And what is the requirement of solution? Your solute must be dissolved in your solvent. Okay, so solution, as per the definition of solution, it is a liquid preparation that contains one or more soluble chemical substance dissolved. That word is most important. Dissolve. If your substance is not able to dissolve in a mixture or in a solvent, then it is not a solution. It is maybe a suspension, it may be a emulsion, but it not a solution. Clear? So that word is important. Dissolve. All your ingredient must be dissolved in specific solvent. You have to choose a solvent on the basis of various property like solubility, or its pH, or its polar nature or non-polar nature. On the basis of this, you have to select the solvent. Okay, clear? So that is the definition of solution. Now, what is the advantage which are related with the solution preparation? First is immediately available for the absorption. So that advantage is given as compared to solid dosage form. For example, like a tablet. When you give a tablet, first it is goes into a stomach. If it is orally tablet, so it is go to a stomach. In stomach, it is disintegrate into a smaller portion. Okay, it degrade into a disintegrate into a smaller portion, and then it is solubilized. Means it converted into a solution, and that solution is available for the absorption. So in a liquid preparation like a solution and every monophasic liquid preparation, that advantage you must be include immediately available for absorption. Means your preparation is directly available for the absorption. What is the basic route of absorption? While you are giving any tablet or any formulation, pharmaceutical formulation orally, first your pharmaceutical formulation is goes to stomach, and from the stomach it is solubilized into a stomach fluid, and after the solubilized into a stomach fluid, it goes past the stomach membrane, GI membrane, and it is goes to a blood circulation. So our main goal is maximum amount of drug is must be reached to systemic circulation. So here our first advantage in every monophasic liquid preparation. इसके बाद जितने भी मोनोफेजिक लिक्विड प्रिपरेशन आएंगे उसमें ये दैट वी हैव टू मेंशन immediately available for the absorption. So that is the advantage of solution. Attractive appearance, yes, as compared to tablet and as compared to other formulation, solution have an attractive appearance. You can add coloring agent, flavoring agent into your preparation, so that provide attractive appearance as compared to tablet. Okay, easy for infants, geriatric patient, and mental patient. See here, geriatric patient is also not able to engulf the larger size of tablet, but they can easily engulf the syrup preparation, linctures, solution, suspension, emulsion. So this is the advantage for every monophasic liquid preparation. Easy for infants, means child is up to 11 year of age or 12 year of age, geriatric patient, older age patient, and mental patient, means those who are not responding very well, mental patient जो दवाई लेने से भी इनकार करेंगे उनके लिए भी that is easily engulfed. Okay, and uniformity in the doses. This is the advantage, but we also include this advantage as a disadvantage, because if you cannot prepare a good solution, if you cannot able to prepare good suspension, there is a lots of problem in uniformity of doses form, because you have to take this doses form in a teaspoonful or tablespoonful in a 5 ml or 2.5 ml or sometimes 10 ml. Okay, so uniformity of doses is not accurate in liquid formulation. But yes, here drug uniformity is not maintained, but doses uniformity is maintained. How? For example, in every liquid preparation, they are come with the closure and have a rubber, then type of one rubber cap is there, plastic cap is there. So in this cap, they mentioned it with the mark 5 ml or 10 ml or 2.5 ml. So you can accurately take a 5 ml by measuring this. Okay, so that's how that's why we mentioned here uniformity in a doses. You can every time you can take a 5 ml if required 5 ml. So uniformity is achieved in liquid formulation or solution. Okay, next is a disadvantage which are related with the solution or simple mixture, difficult to carry. Okay, look here. In a solution or in any monophasic liquid preparation, some advantage and disadvantage are common. Okay, liquid preparation are difficult to carry, difficult to storage. If they are accidentally break, so you have to completely lose your preparation. Sometimes single injection is single injection have a very higher cost, 10,000, 15,000. Okay, if there is accidental breakage, there is a loss of 15,000. Okay, so that's why liquid that included into a disadvantage. Accidental breakage result in a complete loss of your pharmaceutical formulation. Next disadvantage is bacterial contamination. There is a chance of bacterial contamination because bacteria are susceptible towards the liquid medium. They are easily growth in a liquid medium. So every liquid medium you have to use a preservative to control this bacterial growth, and less stable as compared to solid. Stability issue. For example, tablet is you can store up to two year. There is a common sometime common expiry date is 2 year of for the tablet preparation. But in a liquid preparation, if you open the liquid preparation, you can use up to 1 month. So this type of direction is come with the liquid preparation. So there is a stability issue, lots of stability issue, bacterial contamination, accidental breakage, and difficult to store and coverage. You have to require special storage condition. Same here in a recent COVID-19 vaccines have a higher storage problem, high storage problem because it requires freezing. It's require low temperature for the storage. So it is difficult to store this preparation. But if it is available in solid doses, so there is no issue regarding storage. So these are the some disadvantages which are related with our every monophasic liquid preparation. ये हर एक monophasic liquid preparation के साथ होगा ही. Okay. Any problem up to this? These are the advantage and disadvantage of every monophasic liquid preparation. Not only for solution, but you can mention in every preparation also. Yes. Okay. So we can go forward. Now, these are the ingredients which are used in a oral solution. Okay, so already we discussed this into a monophasic liquid preparation ingredient. Vehicle में हम कौन कौन से use कर सकते हैं? Purified water, aromatic water, syrup, glycerin, elixir, hydroxylated compound, oil. These all are used as a vehicle for the solution. Solution बनाने के लिए भी इनको use किया जा सकता है. Okay, flavored, you can use any flavor as per the requirement. Okay, as per the compatibility, also as per the color you required, so you can choose your flavor. Preservatives, why we require preservative? Because there is a chances of microbial growth, so preservative are required. Solvent used in internal solution, that we already discussed into a previous lecture. Aqueous solvent, water, purified water, water for injection, oily liquids are oil and oily material, animal sources. Okay, this already we discussed into a previous lecture. Solvent which are used in internal solution. Internal solution के लिए आप कौन कौन से solvent use कर सकते हो? Okay. ऑर्गेनोलेप्टिक एडिटिव्स, कलर्स, फ्लेवर्स, टेस्ट, ये सारे इंग्रेडिएंट हैं. Here we not go in a deep with this organoleptic additives, means how sorbitol is how much sweeter than the sucrose, glycerin is how much sweeter than the sucrose, that we already discussed into a previous lecture. So you have to just classify and mention these additives which are used in a solution. Okay, if you want to prepare a solution, you require which type of ingredient? First, you have required solvent. So you have to give the example of some solvents. Then you require some additives like organoleptic additives, colors, flavors, taste. Okay. Now, what is the general method for the preparation of solution? What is the general method for the preparation of solution that you have to require care while you are preparing any monophasic liquid preparation? Dissolve solid substance in 70 percentage of total volume of vehicle. For example, you have to prepare a 100 milligram X drug preparation into a water, 100 ml, and you require a 100 ml preparation. So first you have to take a 70 ml of water and dissolve your drug into a 70 ml of water, and remaining 30 ml of water is added after the solution is prepared. Okay, so that is the general method. Dissolve your solid substance in a 70 percentage of no vehicle. You cannot use directly use the total 100% of vehicle. Why? Because some additives are required. There may be a chances of remove. There may be a chances of removing of your vehicle due to some heat. क्योंकि for example simple syrup, अगर आपको सिंपल सिरप आईपी बनानी है तो यू कैन रिक्वायर्ड हीटिंग प्रोसेस. सो ड्यूरिंग हीटिंग प्रोसेस सॉल्वेंट इज रिमूव सम अमाउंट, not larger amount, but that affect the formulation. So that's why dissolve your solid substance into a 70 percentage of water. If there is a removing of your means your solvent is of volatile nature or heating is applied, so you can add up to a 100 ml. 100 percentage ना हो जाए तब तक ऐड करने के लिए ही हम 70 percentage यूज करते हैं. So dissolve the solid substance in 70 percentage of total volume of vehicle. Okay, पूरे का पूरा solvent यूज नहीं करना है यहाँ पे. ओनली अगर 100 ml बनाना है प्रिपरेशन तो आपको 70 ml प्रिपरेशन वाटर लेना है, उसके अंदर सारे इंग्रेडिएंट डिसॉल्व करने हैं, उसके बाद आपको 30 ml अप टू करना है, मींस अप टू 100 ml करना है. ओके, सो दैट्स वन. नेक्स्ट इज अ examine solution by holding it against light. If any foreign or undissolved particle found, अगर कोई भी अनडिसॉल्व पार्टिकल या maybe foreign substance is found in your solution, you can strain the solution through cotton or filter paper. Using filter paper, Waterman filter paper or normal filter paper, you can filter your solution if any undissolved or foreign substance is present in your mixture. Till now we not add 30 percentage, only 70 percentage of vehicle is used here, so there is a chances of loss of your vehicle during filtration. Okay, that's why 70 percentage is only used. Next one is a further pour little amount of vehicle over cotton wool to remove the solution. Okay, जो 30% बचाया हुआ था वो भी वूल में से पास करना है, तो उससे क्या होगा, या फिल्टर पेपर में से पास करना है, तो उसके अंदर जो सॉल्वेंट प्रेजेंट होगा या ड्रग प्रेजेंट होगी, दैट कैन come with your solvent. Okay, and add the other ingredient like stabilizer or the organoleptic additives, color, flavor, preservative, that you have to add in the last of the preparation. जब ये आपका फर्स्ट आपको ड्रग लेना है, that drug is dissolved into a water, उसके बाद you can identify or you can visualize if your preparation have some foreign particle or undissolved particle. If it is found, then you can filter the preparation. फिल्टर करने के बाद जो 30 ml बचा था वो भी इसमें से फिल्टर करना है, एंड दैट यू हैव टू ऐड ingredients like stabilizer, organoleptic, color, flavor and taste, and last is a final volume makeup. फाइनल वॉल्यूम, अगर आपको 100 ml बनाना है तो 100 ml लाल वाटर से मेकअप करके आपको मेजरिंग सिलेंडर में वो फॉर्मुलेशन ले लेना है, and you have to add a vehicle up to 100 ml preparation, and then this 100 ml preparation is transferred to a suitable dispensing container, transferred to a suitable dispensing container. Okay, so that is a common method of preparation for solution. Solution बनाने के लिए common preparation थी storage, cool place as per the liquid necessary. देखो ये हर एक में common नहीं होगा, it is depend on the vehicle you have to use, ingredient you have to use, API you have to use. Okay, so storage is different as per the requirement of your API, as per the requirement, as per the condition of your vehicle. Okay, but generally it is in a cool place, not in a higher temperature environment and not in a lower temperature environment. Okay, label, in this label you have to mention the strength of medicament, means how much amount of drug you have to use in the preparation, that you have to mention into a label, it is compulsion. And other things is as per the requirement, means if you use alcohol you have to mention the alcohol amount, how much amount of alcohol you have to use in 100 ml preparation, and if there is something other ingredients, so you have to mention into a label. Okay, so this is all about the solution. Any question in the solution portion?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
सर अगर सपोज 70% एक्यूरेट नहीं हो तो कंपोजिशन में कुछ डिफरेंस होगा?
No, no, no. If we not used 70% or and we use only 60%. Okay, so there is no difference because we add remaining amount of vehicle at the time of final volume makeup. Okay, फाइनल वॉल्यूम मेकअप करोगे तब तो हमको 100 ml यूज करना ही है. ओके, तो इनिशियली आपने कितना लिया है कि चलो अगर आपका जो ड्रग है इफ इट इज डिसॉल्व इनटू अ 20 ml ऑफ वाटर and you required 100 ml preparation, so there is a no issue, you can dissolve your drug into a 20 ml or 30 ml and then you have to use. Okay, so that is a no
थैंक
issue
यू सर.
about this because final preparation is containing 100% of your meal. Okay.
सर मॉडर्न व्हीकल कई जगह यूज था.
Modern vehicle are used for the some for example my emulsion preparation. In emulsion normally they are emulsion normally oil in water or water in oil, so in this we use oil. Okay, but now at a modern time there is a something modified, they are modified vehicles like plural. Okay, capmal, captex, these are the some derivatives of fatty ester. फैटी एस्टर की डेरिवेटिव्स होती है जो मॉडिफाइड करके बनाई गई है, ये सारे नॉर्मल से एज कंपेयर टू नॉर्मल दे आर एबल टू डिसॉल्व हायर अमाउंट ऑफ ड्रग. फॉर एग्जांपल आपकी कोई हाइड्रोफोबिक ड्रग है जो वाटर में डिसॉल्व नहीं हो रही, तो उसके लिए आपने मॉडर्न सॉल्वेंट यूज किया, तो एट फॉर एग्जांपल योर नॉर्मल अगर आपकी ड्रग वाटर में डिसॉल्वेबल नहीं है, soluble नहीं है, okay, then you can try for a oil. ऑयल में डिसॉल्व किया, if your drug is dissolved 2 gram in a 10 ml of oil, but if you use a modern vehicle, then your drug is 5 gram in a 10, it able to dissolve 5 gram in a 10 ml. So solubility enhancement, sometimes other benefit is also considerable. For example, oil is not palatable. ऑयल जो नॉर्मली हम ये ऑयल यूज करते हैं वो पैलेटेबल नहीं है, मगर मॉडर्न व्हीकल है वो पैलेटेबल भी है, वो ज्यादा ट्रक को डिजोल्व भी करते हैं. सो एट दैट टाइम वी हैव टू यूज अ मॉडर्न व्हीकल. Okay, while we are preparing novel formulations, okay, they are generally not used for the conventional preparation. conventional preparation के लिए यूज नहीं होंगे, मगर मॉडर्न प्रिपरेशन जो है, नोवेल प्रिपरेशन, सेल्फ माइक्रो इमल्सिफाइंग ड्रग डिलीवरी सिस्टम, नैनो इमल्शन, ओके, नैनो सस्पेंशन, तो इन सब के लिए मॉडर्न व्हीकल यूज होते हैं. ओके, क्लियर?
क्लियर.
ओके, गिव मी सम एग्जांपल ऑफ मॉडर्न व्हीकल, जनार्दन. हेलो.
ગ્લુકોઝ ઓર્બિટલ એવું કંઈક હતું.
So you have to remember this. Okay. Okay, so now next preparation is a elixir that we already study in a practical. Okay, elixir, about the elixir. So what is elixir preparations? So elixir are clear, that is the definition of elixir. Elixir are clear, pleasantly flavored, sweetened hydroalcoholic preparation. Okay, how it is different from the solution? जो अभी in a first phase we discuss about solution. So how elixir is different from the solution, and why there is a requirement of preparation of another formulation, because it is also monophasic liquid preparation. So here how it is different? So here definition is identified. Elixir are clear. Clear here means your solute particle is dissolved in a solvent, so it same like a solution. Solution में भी वही होता था. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज अ प्लेजेंट फ्लेवर. उसमें भी हम फ्लेवर तो ऐड करते थे, मगर ऐसा रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं था सॉल्यूशन में कि यू हैव टू यूज अ प्लेजेंट फ्लेवर. बट हियर इन elixir there is a clear indication. Okay, sorry, there is a clear indication you have to use a pleasant flavor. आपको कोई फ्लेवर, अच्छा फ्लेवर हो, यूज करना पड़ेगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज अ स्वीटेंड. स्वीट टेस्ट होना चाहिए इसका. यू हैव टू यूज एनी स्वीटनिंग एजेंट टू प्रोवाइड स्वीट टेस्ट. एंड मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट, हाइड्रो अल्कोहलिक लिक्विड प्रिपरेशन. हाइड्रो अल्कोहलिक, in this preparation in elixir you have to use a hydro alcohol. alcoholic content होना चाहिए इसमें. Why? Because they, on the basis of special use of elixir, they required hydroalcoholic ingredients. So that is the definition of elixir, and these word are most important. अगर आपने ये word नहीं लिखे होंगे तो definition wrong है. Clear, pleasant flavor, sweetened hydroalcoholic liquid preparation which are intended for oral use. ये भी oral preparation है. Okay, so that is the definition of elixir. Main important, how it is different from syrup or solution. So main ingredient in elixir are ethanol and water. Okay, but also glycerin, sorbitol, propylene glycol, flavoring agent, preservative, syrup are often used in the preparation of the final product. Main ingredient क्या है इसमें? Ethanol, hydroalcoholic vehicle. So generally this vehicle is used for the preparation of elixir. Okay, why we require hydroalcoholic preparation? Generally elixir are required to solubility enhancement. Okay, अगर आपकी drug water में soluble नहीं है, okay, if your drug is not able to soluble into a water, you can solubilize your drug into a ethanol or another hydroalcoholic preparation. Okay, after dissolving drug into ethanol, you can dissolve or solubilize ethanol with the water. Okay, so that is the advantage with the elixir. You can able to prepare a monophasic liquid preparation with the low solubility of drug. अगर आपकी ड्रग की वाटर में solubility नहीं है, then you also prepared easily prepared a monophasic liquid preparation. Okay. So these solvents are often used to increase the solubility of the drug substance in the dosage. And more, elixir are more fluid than the syrup. इसमें viscosity required नहीं है, कहीं पे भी ऐसा मेंशन नहीं है. It is a clear, pleasant flavor, sweetened, hydroalcoholic. इतना ही लिखा है. Four words are most important. He had not mentioned the viscous liquid. It is not a viscous liquid. Yes, that word is included into a linctus. Linctus की जब हम डेफिनेशन देखेंगे तो उसमें क्लियर इंडिकेशन होगा. मिरर परिया मिरर. Okay, so it is a elixir preparation, monophasic liquid preparation, more fluid than the syrup. Means syrup की viscosity ज्यादा होती है as compared to elixir. Elixir की viscosity कम होती है due to the use of less viscous ingredients such as alcohol and minimal use of viscosity improving agents such as sucrose. Okay, because why we are not, because in a syrup there is a sucrose, which is highly concentrated sucrose is used that enhance the viscosity, but elixir में हम ऐसा कुछ नहीं use कर रहे, हम हाइड्रो अल्कोहल यूज कर रहे हैं. दैट्स व्हाई इट्स विस्कोसिटी इज लोअर एज कंपेयर टू सीरप. ओके, they are used as a flavor and vehicle such as aromatic elixir, USP for drug substance. Okay, elixir is also used as a vehicle in another preparation. ओके, कोई ऐसी प्रिपरेशन है जिसमें आप elixir को एज अ व्हीकल यूज कर सकते हो. ओके, ऐसा कोई हाइड्रो अल्कोहलिक प्रिपरेशन है जिसमें फॉर एग्जांपल एरोमेटिक कोई फूड एक्सट्रैक्ट है और ऑर्गेनोलेप्टिक, अरे ऑरेंज फ्रूट एक्सट्रैक्ट या कोई फ्रूट एक्सट्रैक्ट है, तो उसमें क्या होगा, हम अल्कोहल में उस फ्रूट एक्सट्रैक्ट निकालेंगे एंड दैट अल्कोहलिक फ्रूट एक्सट्रैक्ट इज यूज्ड एज अ व्हीकल इन अनदर लिक्विड प्रिपरेशन. So that's how elixir is used as a this. Okay, now because only relative small quantity of ingredient have to be dissolved, elixir are more rapidly prepared and manufactured than syrup. Yes, here we not required too much ingredients. Okay, and hydroalcoholic solubility enhancement, so it is easily prepared as compared to syrup. In syrup we required heating process or percolation process, but in this we not require any this type of heating process because our drug is able to solubilize into a hydroalcoholic preparation. Okay, so that's how elixir are brilliantly clear. It must be clear and transparent liquid preparation. Okay, it may be classified into a medicated and non medicated. उसमें आप ड्रग डालोगे, मींस अगर कोई एपीआई यूज किया है देन इट इज नोन एज अ मेडिकेटेड elixir. If your preparation is not added into any drug, so it is known as a non medicated preparation. Okay, okay, next things we will discuss into a next lecture.